morning, students. Welcome to online learning. I am your social studies teacher. Students, today we will start a new lesson that is 4.1 Life in the High Mountains. Before starting this lesson, let me know about mountain. Look at this picture. A mountain is a large landform that rises above the surrounding land in a limited area, usually in the form of a peak. A mountain is generally considered to be steeper than a hill. Mountains are formed through tectonic forces or volcanism. These forces can locally raise the surface of the earth. A mountain is a large natural rise of the Earth's surface that usually has a summit, the name for a mountain's top, which can also be called a peak. It is usually steeper and taller than a hill. Students, look at your book, page number 68. 4.1 Life in the High Mountains. First, shikaras at Dal Lake, Kashmir. Next, in the Himalayan valleys. Before starting this, I will show you one picture that is shikara at Dal Lake. शिकारा एक प्रकार की लकड़ी की नाव है जो मुख्यतः भारतीय केंद्र शासित प्रदेश जम्मू और कश्मीर के श्रीनगर शहर की डल झील में प्रयोग में लाई जाती है. डल लेक is one of the most prominent lakes of India, dotted with numerous beautiful sights. The city looks amazing in a canopy of landscaped flowering gardens, crystal clear lakes, magnificent structures, and bustling markets. A ride on the shikara or the small wooden carved boat usually seen at Dal Lake and Nagin Lake. Boating in Kashmir can be one of the most soothing, restful aspects of a holiday in Jammu and Kashmir. Next, let us see your book in the Himalayan valleys. We have mountains in the north of India. They run from west to east all along our northern borders. They are called the Himalayas. They remain covered with snow. A number of rivers rise in these mountains. These rivers have formed beautiful and fertile valleys among the mountains. Many people live in small groups in these valleys. They have carved out small fields along the slopes of the hills. These fields look like a flight of stairs or terraces. They are known as terraced fields. The main crop grown in this field is rice. Orchards grow well in this rocky land. In very high regions, it is extremely cold. The people there can't grow any crops. They keep sheep and goats. They graze their animals in the mountain forest. They have yaks and mules to carry their goods. Students, first we know about Himalayas. This one. The Himalayas or Himalaya, Sanskrit, Hima means snow and Alya is a mountain range in Asia. separating the plains of the Indian subcontinent from the Tibetan Plateau. The range has many of Earth's highest peaks, including the highest Mount Everest as the border between Nepal and China. हिमालय हिमालय संस्कृत के हिम तथा आलय से मिलकर बना है, जिसका शब्दार्थ बर्फ का घर होता है। हिमालय भारत की धरोहर है। हिमालय पर्वत की एक चोटी का नाम बंदरपूछ है। And they remain covered with snow. There are many rivers rise in these mountains, and the river form beautiful and fertile valleys among the mountains. Many people live in groups in these valleys. They have carved out small fields along the slopes of hills. These fields look like a flight of stairs or terraces. They are known as terraced fields. Terraced. I will show you one picture. Look at this. This one. Terraced fields. In agriculture, a terrace is a piece of sloped plain that has been cut into a series of successively receding flat surfaces or platforms which resemble steps for the purpose of more effective farming. This type of landscaping is therefore called terracing. In a simple way, meaning of terraced, a terraced slope or side of a hill has flat area like steps cut into it where crops or other plants can be grown. Next, come to your book. Here, the main crop grown in this space is rice. Orchards grow well in this rocky land. In very high regions, it is extremely cold. The people where they can't grow any crops. They keep sheep and goats. They graze their animals in the mountain forest. They have yaks and mules to carry their goods. Here, let me know about orchards. I will show you one picture. Here, orchards. An orchard is an intentional plantation of trees or shrubs that is mountainous for food production. Orchards comprise fruit or nut producing trees which are generally is grown for commercial production. Orchards are also sometimes a feature of large gardens where they serve an aesthetic as well as a productive purpose. खाद that is orchard, खाद उत्पादन की दृष्टि में लगाए गए पेड़ों एवं झाड़ियों के समूह को फलोधन फल प्लस उद्यान that is orchard कहते हैं. Next, look at your book. Second topic, that is in the Western Himalayas. We have three main regions in the Western Himalayas. The Kashmir Valley, second the Himachal Pradesh, third Garhwal and Kumaon. First, the Kashmir Valley. First we starting this, let me know about Western Himalayas. Western Himalaya refer to the western half of the Himalayas stretching from the Badakhshan and northeastern Afghanistan, southern Tajikistan, Pakistan through North India, Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh and Himachal Pradesh. Western Himalayas also called Punjab, that is this one. Western Himalayas. Western Himalayas also called Punjab Himalayas. westernmost section of the vast Himalayas mountain range. It lies mainly in the disputed Kashmir region of the northern Indian subcontinent, including portions administered by India and Pakistan, and also in the northwestern part of Himachal Pradesh state, India. पश्चिमी हिमालय हिमालय के पश्चिमी आधे हिस्से को संदर्भित करता है, जो उत्तर पूर्व जम्मू कश्मीर, लद्दाख और हिमाचल प्रदेश के माध्यम से उत्तर पूर्वी अफ़गानिस्तान, दक्षिणी ताजिकिस्तान, पाकिस्तान में बदख्शा से फैले हैं। इसे पंजाब हिमालय के नाम से भी जाना जाता है, दैट इज वेस्टर्न हिमालय। नेक्स्ट, देयर आर three main regions in the western Himalayas. First one, that is Kashmir Valley. Kashmir Valley is known for its natural beauty. It attracts thousands of tourists every year. The Mughal Emperor Jahangir rightly called it as a heaven on earth. Srinagar is one of the most important cities in this valley. The famous Dal Lake is situated in Srinagar. Big boats called houseboats keep floating on this lake. Tourists love to stay in these houseboats. The smaller boats are called shikaras. Next, कश्मीर वैली। कश्मीर घाटी, जिसे कश्मीर की घाटी के रूप कश्मीर के नाम से भी जाना जाता है, भारत के केंद्र शासित राज्य जम्मू और कश्मीर क्षेत्र के हिस्से में एक घाटी है। घाटी दक्षिण पश्चिम में पीर पंजाल रेंज और उत्तर पूर्व में मुख्य हिमालय पर्वत श्रृंखला से घिरा हुआ है। कश्मीर is well known for its natural beauty. It is known as the paradise on earth. Jammu and Kashmir is world famous for its scenic splendor, snow-capped mountains, plentiful wildlife, exquisite monuments, hospitable people, and local handicrafts. A shikara is a traditional gondola type light rowing boat which is mostly seen on the pristine Dal Lake. Apart from other lakes, it is one of the most incredible and relaxing aspects a holiday in Kashmir. The most famous place in Kashmir Valley where you can enjoy a shikara ride is the fabulous Dal Lake with its gorgeous view and incredible surroundings. Kashmir is known as the Switzerland of India. Srinagar is the capital of Jammu and Kashmir. Dal Lake is the pride of Kashmir. Tourists come here to stay in houseboats called shikaras. Saffron and kesar is a special crop here. Thank you, students. I hope you all understood this lesson. Tomorrow we will continue this lesson.